Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see how we can do blocking for a specific inventory. Let us understand a scenario where we want to block a certain item for a certain quantity at a specific, you know, site and warehouse. So how we can achieve this? For that, we'll go to our inventory management, and here you can go to your on-hand list. Okay, let us search for any item here. Item so let me go with this item. Alright, so here if you can see, let me add dimension first. I'm going to add my site warehouse, and that's fine. Okay, so what I will do, so I will block certain inventory. For example, currently the total physical is 410, right? Currently the total physical, let me open notepad and let's write everything nicely. So for this item, that is 1000, we have the physically available is 410, so out of this 10 I will block. Okay, at my site 1 warehouse 13. So let's do this through our X++ code. So I'll open my Visual Studio. So I will go to Solution Explorer. Here let me quickly add my general class. So I will say here block inventory. I will say add. So I will wait. Okay. So for that we need to use this invent blocking table. So I can say invent blocking. Okay. Then we need to create our inventory dimension, right? So I will define a variable of my invent dim, and inside my invent dim I need to specify my site and warehouse. So I can say invent site, not this one, invent dot invent site id. So the site was 1 and warehouse was 13, so I will say 1, and then I can say invent dim dot invent location id, that is 13. My site and location, that is my site and warehouse, is with me. Then I will need to record my this invent dim. So I can say, so this one is ready. Then what I can do, I will start my transaction because I have to move this data to my this invent blocking table. So I will say tt commit. Okay, so the first thing is that I will use my this init value from my invent blocking. So it will go to definition here. Okay, here, okay, manual receipt Okay, initially it will by default will do 1. Okay, reciprocate. All right. So then what we'll do, we'll block 10 items, right? So I can say my quantity would be 10. I have to specify my item as well, right? Which one I am blocking. So I have to say item ID equals to 1000. That is what we were blocking. 1000. All right. So all the important information have been given. Then we need to specify the invent blocking dot inventDem. That is the main thing here. inventDem ID. And this is something we'll use at runtime. So I will say inventDem. I will use this find or create, and I can give the buffer of my inventDem. Okay, and then whether if it finds, if it's fine, if not, then it will create. So I can say inventDem. Yeah, here we go. So we'll assign this thing, and here I will say invent blocking dot write a description here. Sagar manual test. Alright, and then we'll simply insert it. You can say invent blocking dot insert. Okay, now when this will get succeeded, you can show a success message. Alright, let's do a build. Okay, we'll see when the build will be completed. Alright guys, so I've run my runnable class and it is successful. And now if I will search for this one, here you can see the physical inventory is 410. I can only use 400 and 10 is reserved now. Okay, let's quickly look at the code. So what we did, we simply use this invent blocking table. Here we specified the site and warehouse. We initialize the values. We tell the quantity, item, then we provided the actual invent data source and its dim ID. Then we provided a description and we simply inserted the data. So that is how you can block your inventory. I should have renamed it correctly. Yeah. So that is all about this video. Thanks for watching this video.